Welcome to today's video on tools for visualizing data. In this lecture, we'll explore different tools, their strengths and limitations, and when to use each one. By the end, you'll know how to pick the right tool for your data visualization needs and create meaningful visualizations. Let's get started. In this presentation, we'll cover three key areas. First, we'll compare various tools used for data visualization, including spreadsheets, business intelligence applications, and coding-based tools. Next, we'll discuss when each tool is most effective, considering factors like user expertise, automation, and reproducibility. Finally, we'll explore practical examples of how to create visualizations using tools like Excel, PowerBI, R's ggplot2, and Python's Plotly. These insights will help you create visualizations tailored to your goals and audience. Spreadsheets are among the most widely used tools for data visualization. Applications like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice Calc allow users to create simple, quick visualizations within a familiar interface. Spreadsheets are great for small-scale tasks but can be difficult to automate and prone to errors when multiple users are involved. They're ideal for quick, one-off visualizations but less suited for projects requiring reproducibility or extensive automation. The next slide shows how to create a plot in a spreadsheet. The process involves opening the data, highlighting the relevant fields, and using the menu to insert a chart. The resulting chart often requires adjustments like adding labels or trend lines to improve clarity. Business intelligence applications, or BI tools, such as Power BI, Tableau, and Looker, are designed to create dashboards and reports. These tools are particularly effective for combining data wrangling pipelines with visualizations. BI applications allow for reproducibility and are best suited for analysts and managers who need standardized reports. However, data scientists and engineers often prefer coding-based tools for flexibility and customization. The next slide provides an example of creating a plot in Power BI. Users start by selecting the dataset, choosing a plot type, and mapping features like temperature, gas usage, and solar production to the appropriate axes. The size of the points can represent additional dimensions, such as the amount of solar energy produced, offering a multidimensional view. For structured and detailed visualizations, R's ggplot2 is a powerful tool. It uses a grammar of graphics approach to define visualizations systematically, making it easy to switch between plot types. ggplot2 also supports extensions for animations, interactivity, and specialized visualizations like ridgeline plots. This makes it a favorite among researchers and statisticians for creating polished and reproducible graphics. The next slide shows an example of creating a scatterplot in ggplot2. The code maps temperature to the x-axis, gas usage to the y-axis, and solar production to the size of the points, resulting in a clean, structured visualization. Python's Plotly takes data visualization a step further by enabling interactivity. It's a versatile library that supports various visualization types while allowing users to interact with the plots directly. Plotly is ideal for dashboards and exploratory data analysis, offering tools to zoom, hover, and identify specific data points with ease. The next slide demonstrates how to create an interactive scatterplot with Plotly in Python. The code reads a dataset, maps features like temperature and gas usage to axes, and uses point size to represent solar production. The resulting plot provides an engaging way to explore relationships in the data. When comparing visualization tools, it's important to consider your audience and goals. Spreadsheets are best for non-technical users needing quick visualizations. BI applications excel at creating dashboards for stakeholders, while ggplot2 is great for structured, detailed plots. Plotly is perfect for interactive, exploratory visualizations. Choosing the right tool ensures your visualizations effectively communicate the insights you want to share. Today, we covered a range of tools for visualizing data, from spreadsheets to BI applications, R's ggplot2, and Python's Plotly. We explored their strengths, limitations, and practical applications to help you choose the right tool for your needs. By mastering these tools, you can create impactful visualizations tailored to your goals and audience. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data science and technology. See you next time.